I think there might be some logic behind that, right? Because
But it's
what
good
if,
for
and
my
maybe
singing
maybe
anyway.
Dobby can help me here. I don't know what he's doing,
Huh?
but what if when you yawn, it opens up your larynx or
Well, yeah.
relaxes your larynx? I feel like that must be a thing.
It-
So
Well,
being
because
nervous
my
for
singing,
singing,
my singing teacher
your
told me
brain's
it's
going
fine
right.
because it's a good thing to do.
Do we know that
Yeah, that's what my singing teacher said.
it opens up your larynx?
I don't know if that's what it does exactly. That's something to your larynx.
Okay, has Dobby got
I
information?
thought it was just like a big breath to catch up on oxygen.
No, I'm not saying the reason you yawn.
Oh.